Law enforcement in Liechtenstein is handled solely by the small Liechtenstein National Police Force, composed of 91 officers and 34 civilian staff. A total of 125 employees, who police the 160 square kilometers doubly landlocked alpine country in western Central Europe, bordered by Switzerland to its west, and Austria to its east. Liechtenstein maintains a trilateral treaty which enables close cross-border cooperation between the police forces of the three countries. Liechtenstein is also a member of Interpol, and a signatory to a variety of other treaties. Crime. Liechtenstein has a significantly low crime rate, with the last murder taking place, according to a serving officer, about 10 years ago, as of 2007. Crime has always been low since the mid-1970s when Liechtenstein started to prosper as a nation. According to an international special report study, the average Liechtenstein resident doesn't even lock their door. Liechtenstein jails hold very few, if any, inmates, with sentences over 2 years being transferred to Austria. However, officers in the Liechtenstein National Police Force have been armed since a shooting took place. In 2004, Liechtenstein drafted 300 Swiss and Austrian police to assist security forces in the potential aftermath of a Liechtenstein victory over England, in a Euro Cup qualifying match, at Rheinparkstadion. Structure. Liechtenstein National Police Force are divided into 3 divisions, and 2 independently operated subdivisions: Security and Traffic Control, Administration Security and Traffic Unit, Security Unit, Traffic Unit, Traffic Engineering and Prevention Unit, Special Police Unit, Border Unit, Riot Police, and Protection Unit. Criminal Investigation, Administration Crime Investigation Division, Serious Crime Unit, Trace Unit, Financial Crime Unit, Forensic Unit, Crime Intelligence Unit, Executive Support, Chief of Staff, Systems Organization and Quality Department, Logistics, Emergence Command and Dispatch, Information Technology, State Penitentiary, and Relation Unit. Chief of Staff and Commissioner's Office, Traffic and Administration Law Department, Legal Assistant, Commissioner's Office, Public Information Center, and Finance and Controlling. Security Corps. The Security Corps are a paramilitary force, composed entirely of Liechtensteiners, who can be called upon in case of a natural disaster, or riot situation. The Corps also performs honorary roles such as changing the guard, and presenting the coat of arms at official occasions. Differing from all other units, the Corps are both trained and equipped with automatic weapons, most notably the Heckler & Koch UMP and MP5. Security. Law enforcement in Liechtenstein is handled solely by the Liechtenstein National Police Force, although a paramilitary force is maintained inside the police body. Liechtenstein follows a policy of neutrality, and is one of few countries in the world that maintains no active military. Liechtenstein's army was abolished in 1868, soon after the Austro-Prussian War, in which Liechtenstein fielded an army of 80 men, although they were not involved in any fighting. However, Liechtenstein can reinstate its military if deemed necessary, although this is very unlikely. Swiss military. Switzerland has a relatively active military due to conscription. Several incidents have occurred during routine training. On 5 December 1985, rockets fired by the Swiss Army landed in Liechtenstein, causing a forest fire. Compensation was paid. Swiss commanders had overlooked the fact that Traisenberg was not on Swiss territory. Switzerland apologized to Liechtenstein for the incident. On 3 March 2007, a company of 171 Swiss soldiers mistakenly entered Liechtenstein, after taking a wrong turn in the darkness. The troops returned to Swiss territory before they had traveled more than 2 kilometers into the country. The Liechtenstein authorities did not discover the invaders, and were informed by the Swiss after the incident. The incident was disregarded by both sides. A Liechtenstein spokesman said, "It's not like they invaded with attack helicopters." Policing treaties. Since 1933, Liechtenstein National Police Force has signed 7 strategic treaties. Working Group Southwest, Europol, International Police Association, Interpol, Eastern Swiss Police Concordat, Police Union Boss Constance, Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, Customs Control. The Swiss border between Switzerland and Liechtenstein is opened, but Swiss customs officers used to secure Liechtenstein's border with Austria. Before December 2011, there were 21 Swiss, 4 Liechtenstein National Police, and 28 Austria border guards, who secured the 11.6 kilometers long Liechtenstein or Austrian border. However, only 20% is passable. In February 2007, there were hundreds of people trying to seek asylum in Liechtenstein, mainly from countries such as Somalia and Eritrea. Due to the number of people attempting to cross the border, border guards were stationed on both the Liechtensteiner-Swiss border and the Liechtensteiner-Austrian border, with the main objective of maintaining law and order for all Liechtensteiners. This security measure lasted for about 90 days, with well over 800 people seeking asylum in Liechtenstein. In December 2011, Liechtenstein became the 4th non-European Union country to join the Schengen area after Switzerland, Norway and Iceland. Under the agreement, Liechtenstein will maintain an open border with both Switzerland and Austria, and will therefore result in the closure of several Liechtenstein or Austrian border stations. In addition, Balzers heliport will restrict all helicopters coming from non-Schengen countries, which in theory, should limit security concerns. However, Liechtenstein will strengthen its customs control in the way of a high-tech video surveillance system, and regular mobile border patrol units. Border gallery. Looking at an Austria border sign. Looking into Austria from Liechtenstein, with a joint border station. Looking into Austria from Liechtenstein, with a joint border station. Looking from Switzerland to Liechtenstein, with no border controls. Looking from Liechtenstein to Switzerland, with no border controls. Looking at a pedestrian bridge crossing the Liechtensteiner-Swiss border.